Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to email Discord support. So in order to email the Discord support, first of all, you need to know the email address of Discord. In order to find it, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now tap on the search bar that you can see on the screen. Now simply type in email Discord support. Search for it. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. In the results, you'll be able to find the email address of Discord support. You'll be able to see the email address over here. Simply copy this email address. What you have to do is simply select the email address. After you do that, tap on the copy option that you can see on the screen. Now after the email address has been copied, what you have to do is open the Gmail application on your device. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. At bottom, you'll be able to find this option for compose. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to compose the email. In the to section, what you have to do is simply enter the email address that we copied earlier. After you do that, you'll be able to see the email address of Discord over here. Tap on it. Now enter the subject. Tap on the field of subject. Now what you have to do is simply enter your subject over here. Now once you enter the subject, what you have to do is compose the email. Tap on the field of compose email. Now what you have to do is enter your issue over here. Now after you compose the email, tap on the send icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here the email will be sent. Now in your sent folder, you'll be able to find the email that you sent. Now Discord will look into your email and respond to you via the email. So like this, you'll be able to email the Discord support. So that is how you email Discord support. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.